More than 400 million people suffer from some sort of mental health disorder, according to the World Health Organization, and 100 million of those people are children.
This week on KX News, we've been highlighting kids and their mental health, and tonight, PJ Walker takes us to Newtown, where high school students opened up about their own struggles.
Sadness, loneliness, no one to talk to.
Tiara Kendon says those are all words she's heard from her peers at Newtown High School, and it doesn't stop there.
It's hard seeing people that don't have the same mindset as me trying to struggle with how they look, how their body is, or their weight and stuff like that.
Mental illnesses come in many different forms and can affect anyone. For children between ages 3 and 17, more than 1 in 3 have anxiety, and about 1 in 6 suffer from depression. And those struggles can be even tougher in rural areas.
I'm the type of person where I don't express my feelings because I feel like I can control them myself.
That's a common sentiment among teenagers. Graduating senior Michaela Martin says talking to friends about mental health is not always an easy option because of fears of being judged. And parents aren't the easiest to talk to either. She says as much as she tries to deal with it herself or hide it, reality eventually comes out.
Just the other week, it got to the point where I couldn't bottle it up anymore, and I had to just explain it to her, whether she liked it or not, I guess. But yeah, I had a little breakdown.
Nearly 2/3 of teenagers never seek help from a health professional. Things like stigma and neglect prevent people with mental health disorders from getting the care they need. For others, it's simply an issue of access.
It's exacerbated a situation that already existed.
Guidance counselor Chelsea Smith says she sees students every day struggling. The biggest issue she sees is learning being inhibited because mental health needs aren't being addressed. But a new service is bringing the help right to students' computers.
We were fortunate enough to have a telehealth program. So I would schedule appointments. I could go get students right from the classroom and bring them into a private, secure area where they would be able to meet with a psychiatrist.
Smith says the pandemic has made providing care even more difficult. She says with many things being uncertain, children more than ever need a listening ear. And parents are the first line of defense.
You want to validate their feelings. You want to listen to them primarily. Hear them. Don't try to say, don't feel that way. Validate everything they're saying. Validate their pain because that is legitimate.
And sometimes it helps to hear from people who they most relate to. The Newtown High School's Leadership Council is a task force of 25 students who tackle everything from vaping to self-image and even mental health issues. They've made videos and ad campaigns to connect with people their age, to let them know they are not alone.
All of us in this room, we all been through something one way or another. And kind of the point behind this council is we got the idea that nothing can impact the youth more than the youth itself.
With that in mind, whether you're a parent, a teacher, or friend, take the time to listen when a child gets the courage to talk to you. You could possibly be the link that stops them from making a life-altering decision. Reporting for KX News in Newtown, I'm PJ Walker.
And for more tips and resources about kids and mental health, you can visit our website, kxnet.com.
Kids of all ages are affected by